lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. As you saw in the thumbnail, today I will be creating beautiful coaster set using blue, turquoise and purple colors. And here they are. And in the middle I will be adding 3 different colors of mineral flakes from Resin 8 because it is inspired by a peacock, and these colors are nice together. So first thing first, I have my silicone cups and I am starting to mix up everything that I need for these coasters. And in a little cup I am putting the flakes, so they are all ready and mixed, and yes, how I said, ready to go. The flakes are quite light, and if I try to put them separate in the coasters, I find sometimes they can escape in place that I not really want that they go. So now I am adding my turquoise, and I like these opaque pastes from Resin 8. They're really nice. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like. I would appreciate it a lot. And if you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new to see. Thank you. So I mixed in my blue opaque paste as well, and last is the purple one. For the purple one I didn't have the paste, so I took mica pigment instead. And this mica pigment is from Just For You Online UK, and it is a beautiful purple color. And right, everything is being mixed, and now it's the fun part to mix it. So I am starting with the blue, just around the edges. Try to go evenly, neat as possible. Today I am very excited because it is Friday, and today there are new episodes on Netflix, the series Bridgerton. And after I finish this voiceover, I will head upstairs and I will start watching. I enjoyed the first series, so I'm looking forward to watch the second one as well. And yes, so I will put now some music and I will let you enjoy the process, and I'll come back to you very shortly. So yeah, the pour is finished and now I'm just using my torch gun to pop the bubbles. And then I will let it to cure and hopefully they come out very nice. So this is about 20 minutes from pouring. And now it is the next day and it's time to demold, and this side looks amazing. I'm in love with these effects that the turquoise made. I never seen anything like this, but at this moment I'm hoping that the nice part is going to be on the bottom. So let's start unmolding and see what we have on the bottom. And yeah, I am a bit disappointed when I see it. I hoped it would be more like this side. So in my mind I'm thinking which side to choose. Should I go with this one or should I go with the other one? And I couldn't decide myself, so I put a question on Instagram and some lovely my Instagram friends helped me to decide. So I went with the turquoise as you see in the thumbnail. So there was a little bit work to do. I needed to add flakes and top coat, but here they are all finished and I think they are really stunning. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. I would love to hear your thoughts, so if you could drop a comment down below would be really great. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.